Hi gang, for number 33, this is the derivative. I just flipped it down because this was negative. And when you're finding the critical numbers, remember you have to set the numerator equal to 0 and the denominator equal to 0. The denominator equal to 0 as long as it's not a domain restriction. So in this case, it's impossible to set the numerator equal to 0 since this is a constant, but you can set the denominator equal to 0, and there's no domain restriction on the original, so that's fine. You can use the x is equal to 0 when you do this. So since the original function, the domain is all real, you're going to then look at the derivative on the entire number line. So I put 0 here on the number line. Now, because this is squared, whether you put a positive or a negative into here, it's going to be positive. So if you put a negative into here, overall this is going to be positive because this is squared. And same thing, if you put a positive into here, because it's squared, it's going to stay positive. So around the critical number, it goes up and it goes up. So this is what we would call strictly increasing on the number line from negative infinity to infinity. It's because this function is always going up. You guys might remember what this graph looks like from pre-calc. It's this sort of sideways S-looking shape pushed up 1 unit. And you're just going to keep going up if you were riding that like a roller coaster. All right, so it's strictly increasing on the entire number line, and it has no max and min because around the critical number, it doesn't change signs. So we have no max and min for this one. All right, gang, that's it. Hope it helped.